The big feature or opportunity we were pursuing was the ability to communicate on all levels in the business the way we operate. And I've been in this business for 20 plus years, and I've come from businesses that have a written operations manual and it sits on a shelf somewhere and nobody ever looks at it or understands it. And the communication is extreme of getting all the information passed from one experienced employee to the next newer employee and further on down the line. And the opportunity to have one accessible database to share across the company was what we really saw the value in.
If you want to run your business with processes, you have to use KnowHow. It's so easy. It's easy for your employees out in the field. It's easy to access. It's easy for new employees, so they don't have to know where to look for information. It's always in the same spot. No matter anything that you can think of that someone is coming to you to ask for a question, you don't have to spend any time anymore. It's in KnowHow. It definitely will change your lives as a manager and your business for sure. Absolutely.
The employee doesn't have to feel like they're bothering anybody. They're going to have the autonomy to go in and find the process that's been assigned and complete the process without having anybody have to stand over their shoulder. I think that sometimes when people don't do the same task over and over and over again, there's always a little bit of trepidation or anxiety in their mind as to are they going to get it right or not. And I think that utilizing KnowHow imparts a lot of confidence to the individual that it's going to be performed in a way that management wants to see it. Management's going to be thrilled that they're getting back consistent results each and every time, and that the information is usable, and you don't have to figure out what it is they meant this time versus last time. It seemed like I was almost getting slightly different results when I would assign a task, and then I'd have to go ferret out what it was that caused them to zig instead of zag on this particular issue. And I think that they'll be able to spread their creative wings a little bit by having the process in front of them and now thinking about the work that's there and not thinking about what was that next instruction that Mark told me. They'll be able to actually look at it and then use their own brains to determine a path, as long as it fits within the prescribed process. So.
Welcome to KnowHow. With KnowHow, your team does things the right way every time. KnowHow eliminates errors from frontline workers by providing them with a step-by-step guide for all aspects of their job, freeing up manager time, owner bandwidth, and creating happier customers. Let's go for a tour. This is your homepage on KnowHow. It's a unique, personalized hub with all your company's processes and how-to available at the fingertips of every team member. Everyone can customize their view to only show the company how-to that's most relevant to their role, such as production or sales processes. Everyone knows the natural habitat of a company process manual is sitting on a shelf collecting dust. But with KnowHow, employees access your company's expertise instantly through a sleek, user-friendly mobile app that stays with them every moment of the day, right in their pocket. Jay is out on a job site setting up a dehumidifier on a water loss. Let's say Jay is new on the team or just needs a quick refresher. Discovering the best way to set up a dehumidifier is as simple as a quick search. Within a few keystrokes, Jay can find the process, set up a dehumidifier, and see a step-by-step guide on how to properly set up his dehumidifier and get it up and running. As he works through these steps, his manager Sarah gets real-time updates on the work that Jay and every other team member is tackling. At KnowHow, we take the work of getting your company's expertise into the hands of every team member seriously. On remote work sites with no cell reception, work still needs to be done the right way. With KnowHow, it is super simple to download your company's processes and take them with you offline.
¿Tus empleados no pueden leer inglés? No hay problema, amigo. KnowHow puede traducir fácilmente cualquier proceso de tu empresa al español inmediatamente. Con KnowHow, todo el equipo puede acceder a las instrucciones en el idioma que prefieran.
We all know that well-defined, easy-to-access processes are the operating system of every company that wants to grow without compromise, minimize errors, keep margins high, and give employees what they need to deliver a market-leading experience to customers. So why don't more companies take the time to do it? It's because, well, building processes sucks. It's painful and difficult, or at least it used to be. Let's show you what it looks like now with KnowHow. Say you're out on a job site and you want to show your team members how to remove water-damaged drywall. With the click of a button, you can start jotting down the steps as easily as you jot down your grocery list. Don't want to type? Just dictate what the next step is into your phone, or even better, save yourself 1,000 words and just post a few photos instead. Hyperlinks, images, videos, what used to take hours behind a computer takes only a few minutes with KnowHow. Once you've defined all the steps, KnowHow makes it look slick and gives you a custom URL you can send to any team members via text, email, or any other messaging app you choose. And as your business and processes evolve, so does your KnowHow Hub. Any process improvements you make get synchronized to everybody's phone instantly, and you can even send out an alert to notify relevant employees that a company process has been updated. You can assign those processes to a team member and receive notifications when they complete it or fall behind. With well over 100 expert-built templates to help get you started, becoming a robust, well-oiled, process-driven company has never been easier or been more fun. With KnowHow, your staff have instant access to guidance wherever they go. Your managers have time to take on more, and for once, you have a little peace of mind that things are being done the right way, with or without you.